Here's a question from Jimmy Landry. Jimmy says, a topic I'd like to hear about is how to find specific markets that jump in value, and by that I'm assuming he means jump in equity, jump in the market value. So places where we've seen in the past, like Phoenix or Los Angeles or San Francisco. We've seen it on the West Coast in Boston, and we've seen it down. On the East Coast in Boston. We've seen it down southeast in Florida. Great markets and great markets to get into, but when they get saturated, they're not such great markets to be in anymore. So you want to make sure you're in a good market when you buy. Now, you can be in other markets that don't jump, like Indiana, which is where I'm at right now. And we see a 2, 3, 4% value appreciation every year. So we're not going to see the instability that these other places have, but we're also not going to see the incredible increase in value. Now, actually finding those markets is a whole day seminar in itself. It's a huge undertaking going through that process. But I think if you get online, start looking at where the values are moving up, you can probably fairly safe to go into those areas and buy those properties. I've seen people do it different ways. Some people go in and they'll put a lot of money in. Like we'll see this down in South Florida, where people will go and they'll buy the condos for $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, $600,000. They'll buy condos hoping that they're going to appreciate 25%, 30% a year. They've had 40% appreciation down in South Florida in some parts down there. So it can be very exciting. But you can get stuck with those properties too, and it takes them 2 years to build some of those condos. So if you buy pre-construction and the values go up, and then you hit a downturn in the market before your property is available for sale, and then you try to turn around and sell it, you could be stuck, especially if you've got your own money and your own credit in it. So my overall advice to you is, if you're looking for markets that jump, find deals that you can do without the money and without the credit, just the way that I teach, and you're going to be a lot better off. That way, if they don't jump the way you want them to jump, you're not going to be hurt. Good luck.